Depending on where you live, it is either blackberry season right now or it's coming soon to your garden. I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Garden Nerd, and today I want to show you all the things to look for to know how to pick a ripe blackberry at its sweetest. There are a few telltale signs of a ripe blackberry. First, of course, is color. Obviously, these are nowhere near ready, but as they start to darken, what you want to look for is absolutely no sign of red left. Blackberries should have no color, they should be very dark, and they should be consistently that color all the way around. That's number one. Number two is how it feels. For a blackberry to be ripe, it needs to give a little when you press on it. You can see here that when I push on this blackberry, it's a little bit pillowy. It's slightly soft, it gives to my finger. If you touch a blackberry and it doesn't give at all, it's not ripe, don't pick it. That's gonna be a very sour, tart berry. And the third thing to look for is dullness. Usually, a blackberry will start to lose its shine when it becomes ripe. You'll see that when there's a difference between this area here, on this blackberry, it's very, very shiny, versus this one here, which is not. It's lost its shine, and it is pretty much ready to pick. And the fourth thing is how easily it comes off the stem. When you grab onto a blackberry, use your index finger and thumb and just rock it back and forth a little bit. It should almost fall off in your hand. If it's ripe, it will come right off. If it resists, just leave it there one more day, come back the next day, and I guarantee you it'll be sweeter. The whole benefit of growing blackberries at home is that you get to pick them at their peak of ripeness instead of early so that they're firm enough for shipping. They do not ripen after picking, so make sure you wait until they're absolutely ripe before you pick them, and then enjoy them within a day or two because they don't store very well. But if you do store them, put a paper towel in the bottom of a glass container, put them in there. Don't rinse them first, just put them in unwashed and then close the lid, and then wash them before you eat them. So those are the four things to look for when you're ready to pick your blackberries. The timing is going to be different depending on the variety of blackberry that you have and where you live. Here in coastal Los Angeles, we're picking them in May. We used to pick them in March, but this year it's cooler in spring, so we're picking them later. You might be picking them in July or August, depending on where you live. You'll find more about how to grow blackberries and all kinds of other fruits in my book, Grow Your Own Mini Fruit Garden, and check out my book for growing vegetables in small spaces, high yield, small space, organic gardening, and my novel, Garden Variety, because it's set in a community garden and has gardening lessons peppered throughout. Check out our online courses and everything else at gardennerd.com. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to find out when our next video comes online, and consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Garden Nerd. Happy gardening!